Say hello to YouTube.
Hello.
Ah, peace and good little pistol this.
Look how dirty that is.
Dirty like you, bitch.
Dirty like me, bitch.
Attack.
Defend first or attack?
100% attack.
May have told him defend.
Oh, well, whatever. don't ask then, I mean, you know.
We can learn the weak points for attacking.
Well, if the attack is from that side, I'll run the attack. Because I love starting from that side.
Wait, no, we're defending.
Fucking box mag, I love it.
They're continuing the story from Heli. We're going down to FOB now.
Wait,
Oh,
I
nice.
don't mind. That would be sick. Alright. First.
I can gas. Is one of your mags leaking?
No, I'm just having problems with it all the time.
I don't like not having a red dot that works.
I got one that works I can't see through because my moss is too big. I can't, look.
Oh, great. No, I'm joking.
I've got batteries.
Yeah, I have batteries too, but
Is it just dead?
no, it like occasionally goes on and then it just won't.
It's not very nice.
Yeah, it's not very nice.
Come on, do the whole box mag into him.
Yeah.
That's decent fucking lesson, isn't it?
I don't like how you're laying back.
So I saw what you went in that was.
By all means, no, let's find out. You want?
No.
Johnny Womack brought up the word shot.
Oh yeah, he did.
Johnny Sins.
Yeah.
Johnny Womack.
And then he said, "Peace be among us," and everyone started laughing.
You call him Johnny Sins.
Is your room better?
I'll give it a
You know
run.
what?
It's so much better.
Reserved for Ellen.
Oh, that one stings.
100% expected to be hit check now.
Yeah.
That was sling.
I'm right in the fleshy bit.
Actually, that was
Great to have slings.
Dance for me!
That was very close.
Guess not. 3, 2, 1. There we go. I see him. Kill the motherfuckers! Oh, that. It's pretty!
I'm right, there's got a lot of them right. I made it to that barricade already.
You see him through the heli? Push up!
Is that how we're playing it then, is it? Let's go then.
Fucking just do it. Keep his knife. Please don't kill me.
I see you go the first time. It's like you got one, but the other one.
They're under the rear rotor.
Okay.
Just the other side of the bushes. Right by the marshal, I think.
Huh?
I think they're right by that marshal through the.
Yeah, they are.
I just can't quite. Whoa! Fuck! Ow! Fuck!
Kills.
How many people have to carry this one?
Only one.
Okay. Right, to the right. Yeah, I did.
Good play, guys.
Nice, guys.
In the tree, straight ahead. You see him? Right behind the orange marker. Fucking hop up's too strong.
Up a little bit.
They're in the woods to the right. Whoa, fuck me, I saw that. There's no way he's not been hit. His BBs are far too light. Fucking hell. He's still there, by the way. He's lying down. Mate, get down, get down. To your left, or literally 90 degrees, there's a guy lying down one of them sack masks. Oh no, he's gone.
We're all good to push up.
Is that blue down there?
Let's go.
He's just cheating.
Is he dead?
Well, there's someone on the right, by the way. There's someone in there. Yeah. That's where he was. Fucking cheeky bastard.
That was so sneaky. I can't believe shots there.
Oh, nice one, mate.
I wouldn't have seen it.
Come, clear. Come, clear.
Move up! They're down the bottom of the hill there. Okay. Come on guys, keep going. Keep going.
Yeah, Orange is now pushing through the tree line. Pushing through the tree line.
Yeah, we fucking are.
That's it, through the tree line now, buddy, Ruth. Let's cover.
On the right, mate. Here. Got him.
There's a sniper ahead, be careful.
Shoot him then.
Come boys, move, move. Down, boys.
We're really good at pushing this team.
Real careful, I'm getting hit by a tree here.
Getting hit by a tree. It's quite impressive. Oh, I see him. Oh, buddy. He's got the COVID vaccine. Shit. Quick, get it to hospital.
No, he's still fucking miles off a bit.
Should we go around this way? Go this way. Yeah. That's too open in the middle. He's got some cover here, haven't we?
A couple of boys are taken out down there. There's a few.
Well, let's fucking get some revenge.
I think we should keep pushing forward.
Let's just keep going. You've got to keep the pressure on. We've got unlimited lives. You can't run out of lives.
Oh, contact straight ahead.
Guys, we push around this way. Let's flank left. Let's go this way. Come this way. We'll go this way round.
Yeah, like that.
You'll keep changing the side you're on, don't you? Watch the sight lines. Straight ahead by the tree. Red gun. Guys, keep pushing! Come on, keep pushing, guys!
Proper left, by the way.
I've got a couple of snipers that were sitting in the bush just there.
I got it.
Second barricade.
Yeah, I'm still on the left hand side.
Second barricade through there. There's a guy popping up.
Sam, I'm not behind you.
I know there is someone in front. Someone's down ahead though.
I'll try and make some more noise, shall I? Fucking hell.
Yeah, covered it over now.
Let's get flank right again. Let's change sides.
They got snipers on this side.
Right, okay. We'll push through the middle then.
Huh?
Do the unthinkable and push through the middle.
Yeah, well, yeah, could do.
Through here? Yeah? There are some in the castle already.
That's orange on all that.
Yeah, friendlies on the left. Just care left, care left.
Corner, we need to go.
I'm watching you back. There's some by the castle already.
Hit!
Three cedar logs, yeah? There.
All that sakes in the middle of the field, that means nothing. That's a lazy.
Mate. There's still a guy at that barricade. Can you flank round the side of him? I guess not. Fucking sneaky fucker. Guys, we need to push! We need to push up. I know where one guy is, but I just can't get to him. By the marshal, by that barricade.
Can't see anybody on our left side.
This way here, through these trees. The first log barricade, there's a guy hiding behind that.
Okay.
I've been trying to get him, but yeah, I can still see him, he's moving. Fucking meerkat. Got him. I fucking got him.
You get it?
Yeah, but he's not called it. He fucking flinched and fell backwards. He went to the left-hand side by the tree. Do
Room so I can run that way.
you reckon you can flank round to the left? Get an angle on him. He's still there. Yeah, he's gone, he's gone. Finally. Right, we can probably push through now.
Right, let's push forward, push forward, push forward.
Let's push, let's push. Come on, let's go.
Moving up and head to the front. Go! Straight down here. There's people up here now too.
Where's the objective? Where's the objective, guys? Seen the objective? Watch down. Just keep pushing down, they'll have to move. I think someone farted. Keep pushing down, they're going to have to move, aren't they?
Yeah.
Just go past them. What are they going to do? Watch your right, mate. He's a sneaky snake. There he goes. Let's rush him.
There's a guy right at the back by the border. He's not going to hit.
I'm ahead.
There's a guy by the tree with the blue rope. Guys. Guys, there's still 4 to our left. Guys, there's still 4 here. Hit. Igor. Yes. Yes. Who wants some? See you in Valhalla, boys. Hip.
Yeah, he's got it, dead.
Fucking love walking in this building, it's good fun. Would you like some help? He's got fucking like...
I think I got hit then.
Probably.
Where they?
Well, it wasn't. It was behind hard cover.
I got the kill.
Careful, run upstairs. Fucking hell.
How the hell were you spawn here?
Clear upstairs!